You crazy mother.
What's going on, everyone? Captain Granite is back here with another moto vlog. Now, I'm on my lunch break, so I figured I'm gonna go get some lunch across town to a place called Burrito Me, because I want some burritos. And I was like, you know what? I have my camera with me. Why not do a vlog? So here I am. I didn't really have a topic for today's vlog, but I'm thinking back over the winter, if anything kind of irritated me, bugged me, you know, kind of something I want to talk about a little bit further. And something that was brought up in an Instagram chat that I'm in with a few other moto vloggers was, and this actually caused kind of a little bit of an uproar in the chat, and a person left because of it because he didn't agree. But my thought is, and I have to crack this open, if you're doing something illegal and you know that you're doing it, well, of course, if you know you're doing something illegal, you know you're doing, yeah, whatever. So you're doing something illegal and you get pulled over for said illegalness, and you make a video basically, oh, fuck the police, I can't believe they fucking did that, blah, 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 blah. Like, seriously? You know it's illegal. You get pulled over for it because it's illegal, but you bitch about it because you got caught. Like, seriously? The instance was, there's this video put out, I'm not going to say who the moto vlogger was, and he actually lied to the cop because he then commented on his video saying that he doesn't ride with a license plate. He told the cop that he lost the plate in the video. So he's riding around with no license plate on his motorcycle, gets pulled over, the key gets yanked from his ignition, and he bitches about it, about how the cop is profiling him and how wrong it is of the cop to take his keys. Now, my family has been in and around law enforcement, but even I would know if you're riding around without a plate on your bike, it's sketchy and it's probably stolen. So the cop, in my opinion, had every right to take that guy's keys, but to acknowledge that he's doing something illegal, but lie to the cop saying that he lost his plate, and then in the comments says he doesn't roll with a plate. I mean, I'm sorry, but that's just, it's an idiot move to do, and then go to bash the police. You're just looking for attention, and you're looking to cause drama. It's stupid. It's like when you get pulled over for speeding and you know that you're speeding. Well, this is bullshit. What, you're going 80 and a 50? That's bullshit? No, it's illegal. So, and the person that left the chat, they didn't agree with what I said. Basically, if you go out looking for trouble and you find trouble, don't bitch about said trouble. But it's neither here nor there. Don't care. Well, that's a bump. But anyway, I don't know. I just don't get it. That's my little rant for this little trip. Gonna get my burritos. 'cause I'm hungry as shit. Do, 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 do. Alright, burrito time.
A few inches later.
Alright, I got my burritos. It smells like someone's smoking the devil's lettuce. Is it this person? Nope, he's carrying a box. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Is it them? Nope, they're just them. Ah, it's the dog. The dog is smoking the devil's lettuce. I knew it. It's an emotional support dog. Dog gets all high and grabs like, yo, man, you gotta chill out. Or something like that. I don't have any emotional support dog. Don't do it, lady. A 12-year-old girl just got hit here the other day. Apparently she was riding her bicycle and texting at the same time, went off from the sidewalk into the road, clipped by a truck, didn't get hit by the truck, but got run over by the trailer that the truck was towing. Well guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys don't mind my rant. It's just an observation I have. And just, I don't even know how to say it and be polite about it. Because I'm not trying to bring up shit or start shit. It's just a clear observation. And basically, common sense just isn't a thing. Do something illegal, get caught doing something illegal, don't bitch about it. You did it to yourself. Anyway, I hope you all have a great day, great tomorrow, and whatever the next day is. For me, that's Saturday, and I'm gonna have a real good day. You better believe it. So, follow me on any one of my social media platforms, whether it's Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. I have Facebook. I have a Kaptain Granite Facebook. All the links are right at my page. And yeah, follow me on Twitch. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you want to know whenever I have a video out, there's a little bell thingy that doesn't work, but you can click on it and it might tell you that I have a video, or it might tell you I go live. It's supposed to do something. I've been told it doesn't do anything. It only tells me when frickin' HollarMoto uploads, and Jesus Christ, like I need to see another one of his videos.
Hey, fuck you, you fucking bitch-ass motherfucker.
What's your profanity?
I do. I really do. Alright. Have fun. Until next time. See you later.